Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Drax Hall, and Drax Hall is in St. Anne. It's between Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay, and it's a mostly residential community. It has thousands of homes, and these are modern homes, gated communities. A lot of persons buy them and rent them out through Airbnb or live here. Basically, it's like the suburbs. So we're going to take a look at the KFC and Pizza Hut and Starbucks. These stores recently opened because it's a fairly new community. And this is the KFC in Drax Hall. Now, in Drax Hall, you're not going to find like any large supermarket chains. They're not here yet. But if you drive 5 minutes in one direction, you're in Ocho Rios. If you drive 2 minutes in the other direction, you're in St. Anne's Bay. So that's where you will find the infrastructure like supermarkets, banks, government offices. But in Drax Hall itself, it's mostly just homes, like the suburbs basically. So now on the right is Starbucks, and that's actually the largest Starbucks in Jamaica. Then we're passing Pizza Hut, and then down here now is KFC. And of course, anywhere there's a KFC, you know that there is a lot of traffic. KFC is the #1 fast food chain in Jamaica. Okay, so that's KFC Drax Hall. It opened recently. Now there's a KFC in St. Anne's Bay, which is about 2 minutes drive in one direction, and there are 2 KFCs in Ocho Rios. So for them to put a KFC in Drax Hall, that will give you an idea of just how busy this place is. And you can access these stores from the highway, the Northern Coastal Highway. You can actually see them from the highway. So straight ahead now is the Starbucks, and that's the largest Starbucks in Jamaica so far, and it also is the only Starbucks with a drive-through in Jamaica. So this is the Drax Hall Starbucks, and Drax Hall it's a very nice community. A lot of persons in the US buy homes here. Okay, so this is a plaza being built. A Sakura restaurant is going over there, and on the left is the drive-through. Okay, I'm going to turn back around so you can see the Starbucks drive-through. Okay, so where that silver Prado is, that's the entrance to the drive-through. Alright, we're now going to take a look at the Knutsford Express. I guess you would say terminal. Knutsford Express is a bus service that runs from Kingston to Montego Bay, and they have stops in Ocho Rios along the route. So this is straight ahead. You can actually see the bus. It's like a luxury bus service. And depot is probably a better word. So we're going to look at the Knutsford Express, or basically the Knutsford Express location in Drax Hall. There it is straight ahead, and they've actually built a plaza, Knutsford Express Business Center, which is a very good idea actually, now that you think about it. Okay, so there it is. On the left, that's the Knutsford Express facility. And then the plaza or business center, as they call it, this is it. Okay, as you can see, some construction is going on beside it because this area is growing very fast. So it's like some major construction going on over here. This is, wouldn't be surprised if it would be another plaza. I'm not sure what it is. I'm going to find out though and keep you guys updated. So straight ahead now, this is the terminal, or okay, it says buses only. That's where the buses would come in, restricted area. Alright, so this is basically the only plaza. Well, there's another plaza that's in a gas station in Drax Hall, but this is the one that has the food restaurants like the KFC, the Pizza Hut, and the Starbucks. Now, if you were to go straight across at this light, you would find a lot more homes being built. They have a few gated communities up there under development. So if we turn left here, we would go into Ocho Rios. It's about a 5-minute drive. And if we turn right, we'd go into St. Anne's Bay. It's about a 2-minute drive. So Drax Hall is ideally located in between the two major towns in St. Anne. Alright, so we're going to go right, and now we're going on the Northern Coastal Highway, and this highway runs all the way from Negril to Port Antonio, and it's actually 2 lanes now, but it's going to be expanded to 4 lanes. Alright guys, on the left is another plaza being built, the future home of Total Tools. Sounds like a hardware store, but it looks like an actual plaza, so maybe they'll just have one store there. Okay, on the right is another gated community. This one is actually very large, has thousands of homes over there. Alright, so we're now entering St. Anne's Bay. So you can see it's probably less than a 2-minute drive. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.